Gang, get the fuck out of my way, bro. I'm trying to do my schoolwork, bro. Get the fuck out of my way, bro.
You don't even love me. You just want my snacks. Excuse me, I had an appointment for today. Oh. High five. Too slow.
Jackie, what did you do?
You want to go down this hill with me? All right, let's go. Man, it's so white up here. It's like a sheet of paper, man. So somebody dog. Wait a minute. That's my dog. Boy!